Odisha's disaster-ready model has once again been activated as the state braces for a possible cyclone brewing over the Bay of Bengal. State Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Suresh Pujari has assured that the government is fully prepared to face any eventuality. He said Odisha, being a disaster-prone state, has learned to stay ready for all adverse weather conditions. Special alerts have been issued to key departments like Energy and Health to ensure quick and coordinated response in case of any emergency. The India Meteorological Department has predicted moderate to heavy rainfall across southern, interior and western parts of Odisha due to a developing low-pressure system. Minister Pujari emphasized that the state government is in close coordination with the Agriculture and Energy departments to minimize the impact on farmlands, crops and power infrastructure. He added that the district administrations have been instructed to ensure protection of lives and to prepare for possible evacuations if necessary. Responding to a question on cancelling staff leave, the minister clarified that no such step has been taken yet, as the cyclone is expected around October 28 or 29, giving enough time for necessary decisions.
प्रभावित हवा एवं शस्य नष्ट हवा समस्या बाबद आम निरंतर संपर्क रे थाउ। बात्या बहुत समय हेले बिजुली विभ्राट हुए एवं शक्ति विभाग क्षतिग्रस्त होता है। तेणु शक्ति विभाग सांगरे मध्य आम निरंतर संपर्क रे थाउ। पूर्व आकलन सांगरे प्रस्तुति करता है किंतु कार्यकारिता किए करे।